For the past 4 years, I've been traveling all around the world, and now I'm heading to Saudi for my first time ever with my fiancée, Mabel.
Oh, that was quite the hike.
Yeah.
And incredible. I mean, look at these views.
I'm honestly really surprised with how green Saudi is.
The Aseer region is renowned for its diverse orchards, local fresh fruit and vegetables with flavors you wouldn't find anywhere else in the world.
Today we are going to be meeting Hisham Bajan. He is known for his highly engaging videos showcasing some of the most unique dishes.
Okay guys, do you feel hungry? Here we have Tabuk raisins. It have this earthy, tasty, gooey flavor.
And enjoy it.
Yeah.
All right.
We have this one, we call it corn. It's gluten-free, very healthy. There is acidity taste and soury. Very yummy.
I love honey so much.
Yeah.
And I'm so blown away by the different flavors that they have.
And it was such like a unique flavor that, you know, just tells the story of this place.
حيا الله زين هلا
Shukran.
حبيبي.
Thank you very much.
So how's your experience so far?
It's been a very incredible journey.
Oh, happy to know that.
And we are loving the food, so.
I think we have more than 700 recipe. Yes, yeah. But now we're gonna start with the coffee and some dates.
Exactly.
Cheers.
Yeah. We have more than 17 kind of coffee recipes. You will have a kind of coffee in my house. If you go to another house, you'll have a new flavor. And also another thing, while you are having the food in any region, the atmosphere itself. You know, now we have this majlis. This is called majlis.
Okay.
So when you want to build any house, the first thing we build, it's the majlis.
Really?
Because people here are very generous. They invite people all the time to their houses. This is in our blood, you know. And alhamdulillah, it didn't change, and we will keep it that way.
It's amazing.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's incredible.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. So, time for food. Hanid, it's the main course that we have here. It's the most popular course that we have over here. This meal, it's one of the oldest techniques to how we cook the meat. We make a big hole in the ground. We put charcoal on. We put the leaves above the charcoal. Then we put the meat. Then we cover it with a big towel and let it rest for like 2 hours. When you open it, just season it with some salt and that's it.
اللحم اللي ينحنت ما ينغسل.
This is the only meat that you don't expose it to water.
That's surprising because it does still taste quite juicy. That hanith was so flavorful. I thought it was so nice that they welcomed us. They brought us into their house and made us all of that food. And I found that hospitality, it's been just moments of welcoming, and you know, we walked into them. At the beginning we were strangers, and shortly after I felt like they were almost my family.